best helmets. Skateboarding helmets are an essential piece of gear for anyone engaging in high-impact sports, such as skateboarding, BMX, roller skating, or cycling. List No. 1. Outdoor Master Skateboard Cycling Helmet. The Outdoor Master Skateboard Cycling Helmet is a versatile multi-sport helmet designed for kids, youth, and adults. Its reinforced ABS shell and thickened EPS core ensure durability and impact resistance, while its two removable liners make it adaptable for different head sizes and easy to clean. The ventilation system is well designed, promoting airflow during activities like skateboarding, cycling, and roller skating. With a price point of $26.99, but provides solid value for its features. In practice, this helmet performs well across various sports. The double adjustment system, featuring a dial and chin strap, ensures a snug fit, though users with larger heads may find sizing slightly restrictive. The ventilation system is effective, keeping the wearer cool during prolonged use. However, the helmet lacks the premium padding found in higher-end models, which may impact comfort during extended sessions. List number 888 Certified Sweat Saver Helmet for Skateboarding. The 888 Certified Sweat Saver Helmet is a premium option designed for skateboarding, BMX, roller derby, and other high-impact sports. Its high-impact EPS foam, dual-density soft foam, and plush moisture-wicking sweat saver fabric offer excellent protection and comfort. The helmet comes with 2 sets of sweat saver pads for customizable fit and is triple certified for safety standards, making it a reliable choice for serious athletes. This helmet excels in performance, offering a snug fit that molds to the head after a few hours of use. The sweat saver fabric effectively wicks away moisture, making it ideal for intense activities. While the $46.30 price tag may deter budget-conscious buyers, the safety certifications and premium materials justify the investment for frequent users or those engaging in high-risk sports. List No. 3. Retrospec Dakota Bike Helmet. Skateboard Helmet, Premium Protection, Multi-Sport Bike. The Retrospec Dakota Bike Helmet is a lightweight yet durable option for multi-sport use, including skateboarding, BMX, and roller skating. Its ABS shell and EPS foam provide reliable impact resistance, while its 10 strategically placed vents ensure effective airflow. The helmet features moisture-wicking interior padding that is removable and washable, making it easy to maintain. This helmet performs well for casual riders and those seeking a budget-friendly option with decent protection. The adjustable straps and interchangeable pads allow for a customized fit, though the padding is less plush compared to premium models. The ventilation system is a standout feature, keeping users cool during extended activities. However, it may not offer the same level of durability as higher-end helmets. List number 86 Triple Certified Multi-Sport Helmet, ideal for bike. The 86 Triple Certified Multi-Sport Helmet is designed for users aged 5 and older, offering versatility for biking, skateboarding, and roller skating. Its ABS shell and EPS liner provide reliable protection, and its triple certification ensures compliance with safety standards. The adjustable chin strap and size-release buckle make it easy to achieve a secure fit. This helmet is a strong contender for families seeking a durable, affordable option. Its ventilation system keeps users cool, though the overall comfort may not match premium models. The helmet's triple certification is a significant advantage, ensuring safety across multiple sports. However, its design may not appeal to users seeking more stylish or colorful options. List number: Skateboard Helmet, Impact Resistance, Ventilation for You. The Tour Darson Skateboard Helmet is a budget-friendly option offering high-impact protection through its reinforced ABS shell and EPS core. Its 11 strategically placed vents and aerodynamic design help reduce sweating, making it suitable for intense activities. At $20.99, it is the most affordable helmet on this list. While the Tour Darson helmet provides adequate protection and ventilation, its lightweight design may compromise durability over time. The adjustable straps and multiple size options cater to a wide range of users, though the fit may not be as precise as higher-end models. Overall, it's a great entry-level helmet for casual users or those on a tight budget.